One eternity
What is up, you
later.
guys? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is Evil Energy install part 2 finale. What we got right here is the fuel filter, 10 micron, 8 AN PTF hose. So I had already installed, so from the fuel rails all the way through underneath the car to the fuel filter, so that's already connected. We're gonna check out what we had to rig here, what I like to call the Jerry rig. So I removed the back seat, removed the cover for the fuel pump assembly. This style of repair is also what I like to call is arreglo estilo ranchero. So you got the disconnect factory fuel pump assembly disconnect with just rubber hose clamps, and then that barbed fitting to the 90 degree. So it's that easy. I mean, that was the only way. I do recommend, if you do have like a 4.6 GT, it'll work out too, or more favorable, because the fuel pump hat is metal, and the male side of that is way more favorable. So if you have a Coyote, but man, it's gonna suck. You're gonna have to do something rigged up like that, similar. And if you do it like that, make sure to get the clamps behind the barb. So if you're gonna do it wrong, do it right. So right there, the fuel pressure is good. I checked for leaks. Everything's good. She's running fine. Hopefully I can get you some more content on the Draggy, because I've been driving it around and it feels great. It's running smooth, no issues. Let's see what we can do with Draggy now. So like, comment, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, I can maybe answer them. I have done a little bit of research, so let me know, guys.